Hello children, second class children, good morning. Are you all ready for Hindi class? Good. Okay. So yesterday have you done the practice? Yes. Which practice you have done? Join the letters and matra. Isn't it? Join the letter and matra. Have you done the practice? Okay. How many times you have done? One time? No. Two times you have done it? Okay, that's great. Okay, if you done 2 or 3 times, you will understand. Okay, this is not for teacher purpose. If you are writing more than 2 times or 3 times, you are doing the practice. That is only for your purpose, not for you, for me or your parents. Okay, that gives more practice. If you do much and more practice, the way of flow of words will come very easy, isn't it? Now today I am going to teach you how to write the hard words in Hindi. Okay children. Now listen children. Take out the fresh page all of you. Okay. Are you ready now? Are you ready with the fresh page? Okay. Now take a small scale. Use a small scale. Without scale please don't draw the lines. Okay. Highlight the date. Write the heading. Amatra. Okay. Below the margin line. Below the margin line means how? Look at here. This is the page. Okay. Here. This is the margin line. Below the margin line you should have to write children. Then you underline it. Is it clear now? Now the next one. You highlight the name of what? Which heading you should have to write? Hard words. What is that? Hard words. Okay. Write down classwork 1 time. Homework 2 times. Spell the word and write. Okay. Now teacher will show you how to spell, how to pronounce the word in Hindi, and you should write in the classwork. Okay. So you are all ready with your pencils? Okay. Let me start the class. See how I am going to write. You follow the first row. The second and third row you should make it as a homework. You should make it as a homework. First time, 1 time teacher will write. You also should write only 1 time. Don't write 2-3 times. You should have to draw only, see, look at the 2 lines I had drawn. You don't see the margin line. You see the first line. Here your first line, this is the second line. Is it clear? So 2 lines only if you draw, you will get the 3 rows. If you draw 2 lines, only 2 lines you draw cheyalama. 2 lines draw cheste meeku 3 rows vastundi. Ardhamainda? Teacher will write only 1 time. Okay? But other 2 times you should make it as a homework. Is it clear children now? Now listen here. First word I am going to start. Come on, say everyone. Ba. You can say ba, say batak. Okay. Now this is ba. Ba ko a ki matra. How to say? Ba or ba? Yes. Ba. Ba ko a ki matra. Ba. Then the. What is the the? The stands for what? The say darwaza. The. And the next letter is la. La say laddu. Now come on, spell the word. Now give a small line. Don't drag the line very big. See, look at the word. How much it is? Very small, isn't it? So that particular word you should have to draw a line. That's it. Don't drag the line big. Okay. Now come on, say spell the word. Ba ko aki matra ba. Come on, say. Ba ko aki matra ba. The la. Badal. What to say? Come on, say how to say this. Pronounce the word. Ba ko aki matra ba. The la. Badal. Okay. The next one. Chawal. Chawal. How to say? Cha say chammach. Cha को आकी मात्रा चा. चा को आकी मात्रा देने से क्या बन गया? चा. Don't say च. चा. దీర్ఘంని మీరు అక్షరంని కొద్దిగా లాగాలి. చా అని చెప్పాలి. ప్రొనౌన్స్ చా. దిస్ ఇస్ వా సే వక్. వా సే వక్. ఓకే. లా సే లడ్డు. చావల్. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? రైస్. చావల్. రైస్. ఓకే. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ పాలక్. పా సే పతంగ్. పా కు ఆకి మాత్ర పా. ఓకే. దెన్ లా. Then ka. Palak. Ka is what stands for kamal. Pa ko aki matra pa. La ka. Palak. Is it clear? Now next one. Hamla. Ha. Ha say ha ha ha. How will you laugh? Yes. So this is ha. Okay. Ma say machli. La say again laddu. La ko aki matra la. Hamla. Attack. Hamla means what? Attack. Okay. So come on, say badal. Badal. How to spell the word and learn. Don't learn this word complete word. Okay, how you should have to learn? With the spellings. In English, you will learn the spelling, isn't it? Whichever the word in English they are giving, you will learn with the spelling. Say orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, you will learn. But in Hindi, you should have to pronounce the matra sound. Okay, here you can't find only letters. There are some matra. Okay, so come on, say ba ko aki matra ba, the, la, badal. What is the second word? Yes, children, that's great. Come on, say chakua ki matra cha. Say slowly. Chakua ki matra cha. Va, la, chaval. Okay. Next, third word, palak. Pakua ki matra pa. La, ka. Don't say ka. It is ka. Palak. What is the fourth one? Hamla. Ha. Don't say ha. It is not a ha. You should have to get out the air. Okay. You have to get out that air. Gali baita tiyandi. Ha. Itla a ante aam aitundi. Idi ha. Come on, say ha. Ha. Say ha ha ha. You used to laugh, isn't it? So you take out that sound of that letter ha. Ma. Ma say matter, machli. Any picture you can select. Then la. La ko aki matra la. Hamla. What is that? Hamla. Now, teacher, what I should do this 2 columns? Yes. You the same word you should have to repeat 2 times. Now, one example I will show you. See, look at here. Again, write 2 times. This is a homework for you. Ba ko aki matra ba, the, la, badal. One more time. Again. Ba ko aki matra ba, the, la, badal. That's it. So classwork 1 time, homework 2 times. Is it clear? Spell the word and write. Next one, sorry. Next word, 5th one. Get ready now. Get ready, children, now. Again, few words I will give you to make it clear. Now listen here, children. 5th one, okay. Now 5th word is, what is the 5th word? Jala. No, you take tabla. Sorry, not jala. We'll go for tabla. Ta, ba se batak, la se laddu, a matra, tabla. Tabla, you know, it is a musical instrument. Okay, tabla is a what? It is a musical instrument. Come on, spell the word. Ta. Ta se talwar. Ba se batak. La se laddu. A ki matra. La ko a ki matra la. Tabla. Ta ba tab la. Tabla. Come on, say tabla. How to say? Tabla. La. Tabla anakudu. Taaku dirgham ledu, baaku dirgham ledu. Avuna kada? There is no a matra for ta letter and ba letter. Where is a matra letter? Beside which letter? La. So how to pronounce? Tabla. La ki dirgham anda kabatti ta ba la. Tabla. Okay. Next one. We will go for the another word. That is, next one is Radha. Okay. Radha. How to write Radha? Ra ko aki matra ra. Look at, don't write gha. Please. You have to take the curve for dha and take the straight line. Dha ko aki matra dha. Look at the way how I am writing. Ra ko aki matra ra. Look at the dha. You should not touch to the line. Please, if you touch to the line, you should have to drag. Don't drag the letter from above the letter. Understand? You have to leave a gap. See, now listen here. Ra, dha, radha. Is it clear, all of you? So spell the word of Radha. Ra ko aki matra ra. Ra se rasi. Ra se rasi. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? रा को दीर्घम उंदी, धा की दीर्घम उंदी, धा से धनुष. So how to pronounce, how to drag? Take the sound from the letter of ra. रा को आकी मात्रा ra, धा को आकी मात्रा धा, राधा. What is that? राधा. Next one, काला. Seventh one, का को आकी मात्रा का, ला को आकी मात्रा ला. What is this? काला, black. का को आकी मात्रा का, ला को आकी मात्रा ला, काला, black. Okay, next one, eighth one, जाला. जा को आकी मात्रा जा, ला को आकी मात्रा ला, जाला, net. Okay, so come on, say all of you. What is the fifth one? Tabla, Radha, Kala, Jala. Is it clear, children? So come on, spell the word. Ta, ba, la को आकी मात्रा ला, तबला. Radha, ra को आकी मात्रा रा. Don't say ragha. It is dha. So please try to understand for dha and gha. No, you should have to. This is dha. This is gha. So teacher wrote this letter, not this one. This is gha. Okay, when you pronounce, this is dha. You can see the light curve is there. Small curve, it will start from small curve and you can have to take the curve line. But here no curve. Okay, so without curve. Now here I had written which letter? Dha. Dha se dhanush. Dha se dhanush. Ra. Ra se rassi. Ra को आकी मात्रा ra. Dha को आकी मात्रा dha. Radha. What is this? Ka. Everyone knows. I think you have done so many times. You have written that ka to gnya letters, isn't it? So which one it is? First letter of Vyanjan. Ka. Ka se kamal. Ka को आकी मात्रा ka. La को आकी मात्रा la. Kala. What is the last one? Jala. Ja se jalebi, jug. Understand? So you can select any one picture. Ja को आकी मात्रा ja. ला को आकी मात्रा ला. Jala. Tabla, Radha, Kala and Jala. That previous letters I gave for you 4. Now this is 4. Total how many words you got? 8 words, children. So 8 words you should have to write only 2 times. Okay. Otherwise you make it 2 times class work, 1 time homework. అలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీరు కావాలంటే 2 times class work చేసుకోండి, 1 time homework చేసుకోండి. లేదనుకోండి you can write 1 time class work and you make it as a 2 times homework. Okay, as you feel comfortable. But I need your handwriting should be best. Please children, what are 3 things I told you you should have to avoid in Hindi? What are the 3? Yes, never write in the midline like this. Understand? This is the wrong way. And the second concept, which is the wrong concept, yes, the same word I am showing another way. ఏమేం తప్పు చేస్తారని అవన్నీ ఇది చేయకూడదు. ఇట్లా పెద్ద లైన్ తీయడం ఇది రాంగ్. అర్థమైందా? మొత్తం లెటర్స్ ని ఇట్లా లైన్ లో రాస్తారు, బట్ యూ విల్ రైట్ యూ విల్ ప్యాక్ ద లెటర్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో రాంగ్. సో ఈ 3 థింగ్స్ ని మీరు ఎవరు చేయకూడదు. డోంట్ డూ ఆల్ దోస్ 3 థింగ్స్. నెవర్ రైట్ ఇన్ ద మిడ్ లైన్, డోంట్ డ్రాగ్ ద లైన్ సో lengthy, and don't pack the letters very near. Is it clear? So all these are you have done the mistake. So I can't accept for your handwriting, and I don't want to see. Last year you used to write 2-letter words, 3-letter words, very beautiful way. I too understand. Still now I am maintaining your classwork. It is with me. I know how many children will write very good handwriting, isn't it? Everyone they started writing in very good way, writing the sentences, writing the words, isn't it? So I want the same batch children, those who are here now, those who are seeing my sessions. I hope every child is going to write very good handwriting. You have to think that last year how we used to write in the project books, we used to write the sentences, words, isn't it? So but this year you came to 2nd class. I hope you this time you will write more and more very clearly and very good handwriting. So don't follow this type of handwriting, children. Okay, now you have to write how many times I told you? Write 2 times. You should write each word 2 times for the practice. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, children? So I hope every child will write very good handwriting and they are going to show the very good performance. Okay, so this is the A matra, third bit. First we completed, I had shown the how to join the letter and matra. Then I had shown the join the then I had given the ka ko aki matra to nya ko aki matra. How to place a matra to first letter ka to nya letters. Third step I had shown the join the letter and matra. Fourth step we came to hard words. Tomorrow again one more bit with the new things. Understand? New exercise. Okay. So please revise and do the practice in the rough book and write it in the class book 2 times. Okay. I hope everyone is very clear with my explanation class. The way I had explained you, it is very clear to all, and I think you are going to do it in very good way. Okay children. Take care second class children. Bye bye.